I'm often asked when resetting Windows 10, which option should I use to reinstall Windows? Well, let's just have a look and see what options we've got. So let's go from the top. So to reset Windows, now this is if you've got problems with your PC, or if you're selling your PC and you want to get rid of all the files off of it and make it a fresh Windows for whoever's buying the PC. You also might want to scrub it clean so they can't recover any of your vital information from it. So all you do first of all is obviously make sure that you've got a copy of anything that is important to you. This is whether you're actually wiping the machine clean or just reinstalling Windows. If you're reinstalling Windows and you want to use it again yourself, make sure that you've got any login details for things such as your emails, and make sure you've got licenses available to you and logins and disks available to reinstall your programs, because this will remove most of your programs off of here. So click on the start menu in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, then click on the cog there, the settings cog, then click on update and security, and then click on recovery just on the left there, and then under reset this PC click get started. It will then ask you two options. Do you want to keep your files? So it says removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So it keeps your files that are stored in your pictures, documents, desktop, music, videos folder, but I would still say make sure that you've got a backup copy of these if you're going to keep your files, just in case it all goes wrong. Okay, now if you're going to remove everything, so it gives you the choice there to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. This is good for really if you're selling your PC, or you think to yourself, right, I want to clear out the PC and get rid of everything. I don't care, I'll just get rid of all my personal files. So it's entirely up to you here. So basically, if you're trying to repair your PC, then I would say go for the option to keep my files. But if you're looking at selling the PC on, then general rule of thumb is go to remove everything. So let's just click remove everything. And the second option we've got is how would you like to reinstall Windows, either via cloud download or a local reinstall. So a cloud download is going to give you a fresh copy of Windows to download automatically and install. It's going to take some time because it is a big download. It says it's more than 4 gigabytes of data, so if you've got a slow internet connection, you've got to be patient with this. It's going to take a while to download via cloud download. But if your computer is corrupted, or you think you've got a virus on it and you want to reinstall Windows, then a cloud download will probably be the safest bet, because it means it's going to get a fresh copy of the reinstallation files from the internet. A local reinstall is going to be quicker because it's using the files that are already stored on your computer. But again, if you think that your computer is corrupted, or you might have a virus on there, the corruption or the virus may have got into these files, and it may cause the reinstallation to fail. So basically, general rule of thumb is if your computer's okay and you just perhaps want to do a local reinstall to resell your computer, or your internet connection is really slow and it's going to take a while to download more than 4 gigabytes of data, then choose local reinstall. But if you feel that your computer's been affected by a virus or corruption, then probably safest to do a cloud download. So in this example, I've chosen to remove everything, and I'm going to choose a local reinstall. Now, if you're planning to sell the PC, then I would click on change settings there and turn on clean data. Okay, so clean data means that it will take hours, or may take hours, but it will make it harder for anybody else to recover the files. So like I say, if you're selling the PC on, or you're recycling it somewhere, then use the clean the drive option or clean data option, as this will make sure that it deletes all the files, and it deletes them securely to make it harder for anybody to recover your files. And here again, you've got an option here to download Windows, which basically is the same option as cloud download. So at the moment it's saying reinstall Windows from this device, but if you want to download and reinstall Windows automatically, then switch that to yes, and it will download a fresh set of installation files, and it'll also download the latest version of Windows 10 as well. So, and all you've got to do then is just click confirm and follow any instructions on the screen. I hope this guide helps you decide which way to go when reinstalling Windows using the reset function. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.